YouTube has evolved significantly over the past 5 years. Back then, people primarily used YouTube to watch videos for entertainment, learning, or staying updated with trends. At the same time, content creators use the platform to showcase their talents, share knowledge, and express their creativity by making original videos from scratch. In the early days, creating content for YouTube required a lot of effort and dedication. Creators had to come up with their own ideas, write scripts, shoot footage, and spend hours editing their videos to make them engaging for their audience. Despite the hard work involved, they were passionate and committed, focusing on building their channels steadily over time. Even if their videos only received 10, 20, or maybe 100 views, they remained motivated because they genuinely enjoyed the process. However, today the landscape of YouTube has changed dramatically. With the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, content creation has become easier and faster than ever before. Many people are now using AI tools to generate entire video scripts with just a single prompt. There are AI platforms that can edit videos automatically, removing the need for manual work. Some AI-powered websites can even create complete videos, including voiceovers, visuals, and animations, within minutes, requiring little to no human intervention. Incredibly, some of these AI-generated videos are earning their creators thousands of dollars in revenue. This shift has led to a new wave of YouTubers who focus more on using technology rather than creativity and hard work to grow their channels. On the flip side, there are still dedicated creators who continue to follow the traditional approach. They write their own scripts, record their own footage, and spend hours editing their videos manually. Unfortunately, despite their genuine effort and creativity, they often struggle to gain recognition. Many of them receive only a handful of views, sometimes just 10, 20, or at best 100. It can be discouraging to see AI-generated content going viral while their handcrafted work remains unnoticed. Another interesting trend on YouTube today is that some creators manage to go viral with their very first video, while others struggle for months or even years without achieving success. The reality is that there is no guaranteed formula for instant success, and each creator's journey is different. 5 years ago, people made videos driven by their passions. A gamer would create content about their gaming experiences, while a tech enthusiast would review the latest gadgets. These creators had patience and resilience. Even if their videos received low views, they were happy to continue creating because they loved what they were doing. Today, patience is becoming a rare quality among new YouTubers. They upload just 2 or 3 videos, and when they don't see immediate results, they give up. They fail to understand that building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency. Popular YouTuber Mr. Beast once said, "If you upload 100 videos, one of them is bound to go viral."
Is make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking like maybe you can get some views.
However, many aspiring creators today don't have the perseverance to reach that milestone. And when they don't see immediate success, they move on to something else. Despite these changes, one thing remains true. Success on YouTube still requires dedication. While AI tools can help streamline content creation, genuine passion and originality will always stand out in the long run. Whether you're using AI or traditional methods, the key to success is consistency, innovation, and staying true to your unique style. So whether you are a new creator or someone who's been on the platform for years, remember that YouTube rewards those who keep pushing forward, learning, and improving. Success might take time, but with patience and effort, it is always within reach.